paying homage to Buddha-Shakyamuni, honoring the Buddha. So here the verses is actually directly honoring the Shakyamuni Buddha, but ultimately our honor, it goes to our own Buddha nature. Okay, so it is like honoring our own Buddha nature and inspiring yourself to really get into that enlightened state. Right now, under the circumstances, we are in the state of ignorance. There's so many confusion, there's so many darkness, there's so many struggle, there's so many, suffering, and we are in the state of ignorance. So then, but we have this quality. We can be in the state of enlightenment if we really, take this sort of like a veil, like the confusion or ignorance away, then we will be in the state of enlightenment. So that's kind of like honoring our state of enlightenment that is actually residing in deep, within our consciousness. So let us do the homage to the Buddha. Dumba jumden den di je ban dra jumba yang da ban zo be san ye rig ba dan sha zo dem de wara je ban ji den ken be ge bon de ben ka lo gyur wa la na me Lada minamange dumba sange jumden den benge wa shaya duwa la chaza chudu gyabzu che hon dumba jumden den di shen shekban tra jumba yang da ban zobe san Dan shabzu denpan devara shekban jikden kenbe gibon duwe kalon gyurwa lana meba lada minamange denpa sange jumden bege wa shakyan duba la chanza lo chedo gyabzu cheho. To the great teacher, the endowed transcendent being, the one who has gone beyond, the victorious and completely perfect being, the fully awakened being, perfect in knowledge and good in conduct. Sujatas, the one who has gone into the happiness state, knower of the world, supreme guide for human being who needs to be tamed, teacher of gods and human beings, the completely and fully enlightened master, the great Shakyamuni, to you I pay homage, make offerings, and go for refuge. Kanze kanyin zo kye damanse sa jen de la komban dunpo ne ngani jikden de na choeje son de ze keba kye la cha za lo Namda kunga chodo su sanwa yishe yazo sege lumbo andra Chaba jikden sumna lame wa gombo chonye ke la chaza lo Senju denpa chimen dawe she sedo andra wa ke la chaza lo Dure gera seba suma je nyame genjen ke la chaza lo Gombo to je che denpa tam je kenpe denpa bo Senama yende yazu shen di shen she la chaza lo Taben de chan tenwan gyurun gewe nye son len zhe shen Chikdo ten dama cho gyurun ba shi gyurun che la cha za lo Chenen chewe lam yan de la ba ta la rab do ne Shingi damba yun den den gen de la yan cha za lo Sangi zo la cha za lo Gyo ba che la cha za Genduen che la chan za lo sum la da dong gu cha ze cha ja e ba tham je la xin du gun ge rang ni le de ba ye nam gun chong du de ben chan za lo de ba jin a me ja xin ge wa pu zu mo zo ba je Rangi semne yonzon dun dine sanje denpa yin Karma rabri mame dan gyuma seba chubo dan Milama lo dan jinda bun duje shenama de daranda Sönama diye tamche sikba yin Goban tonne gyungi chadunde Gada nada chive labdru be sibe zolen druwa druwara sho. You were born on this earth, you took 7 steps, then said, I'm supreme in this world. To you who were wise even then, I pay homage. Your pure body endowed with supreme qualities, your ocean of wisdom like a golden mountain, your fame blazes throughout the 3 worlds. To you, the Supreme Guardian, I pay homage. Your face like a spotless moon with great qualities. To you, with your golden color body, I pay homage. An immaculate one like you cannot be found in 3 worlds. The incomparable wise one, to you, I pay homage. The guardian who possesses great compassion, bestowing teachings with great understandings of all. You are the field of merit with qualities as vast as ocean. To you, the one gained beyond, I pay homage. The purity that makes one free from attachment, the virtues that frees one from lower realm, the one path that leads to the sublime pure truth of reality, to the great peaceful Dharma, I pay homage. Those that are liberated and also showing the path to liberation and are devoted to the moral precepts, the spiritual field full of qualities, to the sublime Sangha, I pay homage. I pay homage to the Supreme Buddha. I pay homage to the object of refuge Dharma. I pay homage to the great Sangha. To all 3 I will always pay homage. To all worthy of respect, with bodies as many as the atoms of the universe, bowing through the time and space with supreme faith, I pay homage. Avoid any non-virtuous action. Perform only the virtuous action. Completely tame your mind. This is the teaching of the mind. A star, a mirage, a flame of a lamp, an illusion, a drop of dew or a bubble, a dream, a flash of lightning, a cloud. See all compounded things as such. Through these merits may all sentient beings attain the state of all-seeing and tame the force of. May all sentient beings be liberated from the samsaric ocean that is disturbed by the waves of aging, sickness, and death. Okay, so this is paying homage to Shakyamuni Buddha and honoring our Buddha.